Hello guys, today we are going to see about Windows cannot fixed file. Make sure you type the name correctly. Let's begin guys. Let's fix this. Go to search menu, type file explorer option. Click this. Open file explorer to home. Click here. This PC. Apply. Okay. If you still having the problem, go to search menu, type cmd, right click, run as administrator. Yes, type here sfc space slash scannow. Press enter. This process will take some time. After finishing this, go and restart your PC. That's it guys for today's videos. The files I need to say about files, make sure you type the name correctly. You need to check that clearly. I hope this tutorial will definitely work for you. Thank you.